Okay, we are looking for food now. This looks like Pakistan, but it's actually Mecca. You can see the prices here. Not that bad. No. Okay, we decided to eat food now. There wasn't any space in the area, like the main area, so we're in another space, like the same restaurant. Let's see what we can eat today. So after doing a little bit of research, we found out that the food doesn't look too great. The portions aren't great either. So we have given up on this particular restaurant. We're gonna see if we can find any other Pakistani, Indian, Bangladeshi hybrid, something along those lines. Let's see. I'm seeing tons of products like clothing and food, like gift shops, right? But no food restaurants. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So I guess that guy wasn't lying, huh? The guy did lie about one thing. He said that there will be like more than 20 restaurants in this street. So far we've only seen 2. Okay, now we have hit the jackpot. There are tons of restaurants all around us. Look, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, India. That's also Indian, Bangladeshi, probably. I don't know. It's a barber shop. Cool. That's all the restaurant. I think as well. All around, everywhere, potential Sarawi restaurants. Okay, we have found the restaurant. It was a bit crowded, so we had to wait a while. But crowded can only mean one thing: it's super good. Okay, the food is here. We got gigantic. Oh my god! We got gigantic parathas. What is this? Karahi? White karahi, omelette, sabzi, the likes. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, first of all, we're trying the karahi. Let's get a piece of... Okay. Wow, this is much better than the last restaurant we had. Yeah, that's good, It's amazing. Okay, bhai, what do you think? How is the food?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's good?
Can you explain? सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है?
I think this more.
कढ़ाई पसंद है?
Yeah, the kadai is definitely
वो white कढ़ाई.
the highlight. Okay, just finished eating from this restaurant. I have no idea where it is, but highly recommended. Super good. Okay, we have finished eating and ordered some. Okay, and ordered some tea. It was 3 real, which is around 240 Pakistani rupees. So expensive tea. Ooh, expensive, good cup of tea. Ooh, I like it. We were just looking around for, gifts for Aiden, my nephew, and look at this handsome young man.
This is a glitch.
Okay, hello. We're praying. Take 2. We're praying Fajr now. We just
Wednesday.
yeah.
So
it is
it's the 25th night.
Is it?
So, yeah,
Okay.
it was.
Yeah.
So that was kind of like an important time.
No. It's not 5th day. It's the 6th day of us being here.
Yeah, right. But
Yeah.
I mean, like,
almost.
Tonight could have been also Laylatul Qadr. Who knows?
Who knows? Could have been. Okay, we just got done from Fajr prayer. There was a huge crowd, so we couldn't really record anything. Me and Vadifai, I mean. Basically, in some summary, we wanted to say that we prayed a lot today, like Taraweeh, Tahajjud, which is almost like more than half, more, and like an hour long prayer. So we prayed a lot today. Inshallah, hopefully, it'll be Laylatul Qadr today. So we'll get double, triple, good deeds. Inshallah.